What's up, amigos and amigas? I'm in Zihuatanejo, a fisherman town on the Pacific coast of Mexico. It's actually the place that Tim Robbins' character, Andy Dufresne, dreams to escape to in the movie Shawshank Redemption.
Zihuatanejo.
What?
Zihuatanejo.
So we're going to check out what it's all about. Today, the plan is to go check out one of its most popular beaches, Las Gatas, and check out the center afterwards. Let's go. Hola, buenos días. ¿Qué? Un poco, un poquito. Sí.
Corner, there's a beautiful beach.
Uh-huh.
It's around rocks. The water is clear and so good for snorkeling and just spending good time.
Okay. How much is it?
To go there, 2 people, 1,000, including the paddleboard.
Okay.
Okay, I go with you guys and I show you there. There is a family living there. They got fresh fish, cooking on wood.
Uh-huh.
And you can enjoy it too. You know, that's an extra each week. You know?
Okay.
¿Qué playa es?
Contramar.
Contramar.
Muy bonita.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna check it out, walk the boardwalk a little bit, but we might come
my
back.
name is Polo. I'm here most of the time, but now I'm gonna be out. But you know, I got maybe a tour.
Yep.
Okay, but come by anytime. You'll be welcome.
We're gonna go check out that statue over here. So Zihuatanejo means place of women, and it's native language, I think Nahuatl, if I'm saying that correctly. There are 7 bronze statues of women placed around Zihuatanejo, and they represent the 7 regions of Guerrero, the Mexican state that Zihuatanejo is in. So here is one of them right here. Let's get a closer look and take a look at the cool statue. Let's go get a closer look. It is a cool statue. Beautiful bronze statue of a Ziwa woman sitting on the cliff. Very cool. I'm gonna wait for a wave. There's another beautiful Ziwa woman. Woo! There we go. Okay, let's keep going. I didn't bring my sunglasses for some reason. Maybe I need to get a hat. Un sombrero. Hola. Bien. Quiero un sombrero.
No hace que se caliente más la cabeza.
No, la palma es fresca.
No, the material's fresh.
It's a little tight on my head. Yo soy una grande cabeza.
Grande cabeza.
This is huge. This is massive. I can't put on control this thing.
You can just do a visor.
This is way too big, right?
I think it looks good. Yeah.
5?
Yeah, 100 pesos.
Sí, 100 pesos.
100?
Sí, amigo.
Okay, 100 pesos.
Sí,
Gracias.
Caliente.
All right, got my hat. Got my sombrero. Ready to keep going. Check out this colorful basketball court. Looks pretty cool. I know on Sundays they have big cultural events. Everybody gathers in this area. I don't know if they have like concerts or something, but I know they do have a good time here on Sunday. We do need to find a way to get to Las Gatas. This guy might be the one, but we'll see.
It has 2 different packages for Playa Las Gatas.
Mm-hmm.
One where 100 per person, 100 pesos per person, but with other people.
Mm-hmm.
Or you can do 500 pesos, and it's just the 2 of us with a private boat. They give you a tour, they drop you at the beach, and they pick you up at 6:30 or earlier if you want. Which is not bad.
So it's 100 pesos per person to get to Playa Las Gatas, and that's when they like cram you into a boat. I think we'll pay the 500 pesos total. for a private boat ride. He says he's gonna tour us around a little bit that we won't get on the regular ferry. Muchos pescados.
Sí.
Oh, red snapper.
Yeah, red snapper.
So yeah, lots of fishermen boats sitting here. And I think early in the morning, all these boats are out fishing. They're all coming back with their catch of the day, and they try to sell it right here on the beach. That's the morning. Hola, buenos días.
Hola, buenos días. ¿Sería todo?
Brother.
100 pesos.
Muchas gracias.
Que le vaya bien.
Número uno, cerveza por el día. Cheers. Ziwa. Selfie.
Hay tamales.
Hola, tamales.
Es chicken. ¿Cuánto?
No creo.
¿Cuánto para que prueben? De regreso. ¿Qué vender? Hasta mañana me compran.
Mañana.
Venga, hombres para que prueben. No se me chocante. Allá en el muelle te los comen, mami, y están más baratos aquí que allá. Prueba, mi madre.
They're juicy.
Try one?
I'm okay. No tengo hambre.
Sí, mamita, agárrale. Se los comen al rato allá.
We're gonna eat it later.
Okay. Yeah.
Ese es verde y este es rojo.
Están ricos.
Están muy ricos, ¿eh?
You want some? Or you're
I'm okay.
Están bien ricos. Vamos a seguir viniendo. Estos días le compro.
Muchas gracias.
Ahí vienen, nomás son dos, ¿verdad?
And here's a private tour on the boat.
¿Qué tal? ¿Qué dice? Cuidado con tu cabeza, cuidado con tu cabeza arriba. Watch your head right here.
Ay. Okay. Private tour engaged. Buenos días.
Buenos días. Mucho gusto. Me llamo José Luis.
José Luis, Miriam,
Yurun.
Yurun.
¿Cómo?
Miriam,
Miriam.
ajá.
Yurun.
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 Mucho gusto.
Sí. ¿De dónde son?
De Atlanta.
De Atlanta.
Ajá, Georgia.
Hace mucho frío.
Sí. Aquí mucho calor.
Ya.
Yes, our capitán. All right, off to Las Gatas.
Ahí tienen el boletito.
Yeah, there's 4 main beaches. Zihuatanejo, Playa Principal, Playa Madera, that's where we're staying. Playa La Ropa is over there. That's often considered the nicest one. That's the longest one with the the widest sand. And then Las Gatas we're going to. You guys will see in just a moment. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's a shipwreck right there. Isn't that what happened?
He said it's not.
Se va la flecha, se va por pela, va
Gracias.
Nos vemos.
Well, hey, ¿cómo te llamas?
José Luis.
José Luis. Gracias, gracias. All right. The doctor Playa Las Gatas.
Very beautiful.
Okay, Playa Las Gatas looks similar to Isla Tapa, but the water looks way more blue and turquoise here, to be quite honest.
Waves are not rough.
Yeah, and the waves are much less rough, so it looks like the swimming's going to be a little more relaxed. But yeah, look at that water. It's like that perfect turquoise ocean water you're looking for. They got, restaurants all down the beach with the, the umbrellas and the chairs and the sand, which I'm really loving here in Zihuatanejo. They're just lined up with bars and restaurants throughout the entire beach area. We're going to walk to the very end with the yellow umbrellas.
Oh no, it's the yellow lounge chairs with the white umbrellas.
Oh, okay, the yellow lounge chairs with the white umbrellas. Like 3/4 of the way down, our captain was saying that's the best restaurant on the beach. Let's check it out. Ooh, fresh oysters. We've been told it's not oyster season though. They're farm grown here this time.
Mira el snorkel. Ahorita es buen momento. El paquete es aquí. Sí, mire, de este lado, si quieren ir los dos nada más, lo tenemos en 350 pesos por persona, pero ya incluyendo el equipo, que es aleta, chaleco, la tabla de pollo y el guía que va con ustedes. Mire, ahorita temprano, mejor el agua. Sí. Menos gente, más variedad de peces. Van a
I
ver
do want to
estrellas
snorkel
de
by
mar.
that statue.
Hay una estatua en el agua. Sí, en el agua hay una esquina.
Okay.
All right, we had the private snorkel tour. Miriam talked them down to 500 pesos. They were asking for 350. Very proud of her. Let's go do some snorkeling. Right, just finished snorkeling. Also snorkeling experience. Cool to swim with a statue, and we saw the pirate anchor. Now we're gonna stop and get a mojito and some ceviche right here.
Salud.
Salud. No gracias, señor. Doritos. The agua chili. The agua chilies are good. And pulque picante.
They're very good.
Alright, Miriam's getting her hair braided on Las Gatas beach. How much is it? 180 pesos?
Just doing 2 small ones.
You're doing 2 small ones on the top of her head. The lady initially came over and asked me if I want to get my hair braided. I am growing it out, but Miriam says I can't do braids or can't do braids or dreadlocks yet. Next year. ¿Cómo te llama?
Marta.
Marta? Okay.
Me llamo Miriam.
Sí, me llamo Jeroen. Me llamo Jeroen.
Yurun.
Sí. Mucho gusto.
You like it?
Yes? Oh, that's really good. Ella tiene mucho bonito pelo. Very big,
Beautiful hair.
beautiful hair.
So you speak Spanish very well.
Ah, gracias, muchas
Quiero
gracias.
aprender más, más, sí, así que lo voy a seguir trayendo. Sí, try to teach you.
Yes.
Sí.
Ella es la maestra mayor en todos el mundo.
Mejor.
Mejor,
Mejor,
mejor en
mayor.
todos el mundo.
Todo el mundo. I like when people play with my hair. It makes me want to fall asleep.
Yes. She's gonna fall asleep. Vives aquí en Zihuatanejo? See?
Sí, ajá. Like it?
Done? Oh, I like it.
It's very pretty.
Oh, let me see.
De las
Oh, muy bonito, bonita.
Mire, tengo las. Oh, muy bonito. Sí, ella es cabello largo. Sí, muy largo. grueso.
Sí, y mucho.
Is that I have long, a lot in thick hair.
Yes.
Yeah.
Very Mexican hair.
Yeah. Sé que pelo mexicano.
Ah, sí.
Muchas gracias.
Gracias. Nos vamos a cambiar.
Ah, sí.
Gracias.
Piña Colada.
El rato que viene bien bien.
Sí.
Otro por otra niña. Piña Colada.
Wow.
Good, right?
It's really good.
Yeah.
Really good. Yeah, definitely fresh coconut in there.
Sí, 45.
45. Gracias. Deep dice with tamarind, spicy tamarind, and anchos.
Adiós. Muchas gracias. Okay. Just checked out the restaurant. It's pushing 5 o'clock now. We've been here about 5 or 6 hours.
Yeah.
Spent about $100. Really to eat as much as we can and drink as much as we can. The guy that was serving us for the whole time was super nice. So to end it, oh Jesus, lost the hat.
Yeah, I love that.
So at the end of the day, we're gonna walk to the end of Las Gatas, see what that's all about, and get out of here. Really, the end here is past the restaurants. Looks like families come here, just post up on their beach towels if they don't want to sit at the bar or the restaurant. So we'll see how that looks. It looks pretty nice there actually. You got the palm trees hanging over the nice beach. Little less people. A little more relaxed here. So yeah. If you want to stay at Las Gatas, a little bit more of a chill area, make it all the way to the end, post up, bring your own beach towel, bring your own beach chair, and enjoy the day from here. The view might even be a little bit better. Check it out. I think that's the end of Las Gatas. I think we are signing off. Adios, amigos.
Adios.